Hello, welcome to my YouTube channels. This is your stop point for all computer-related knowledge. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. In today's tutorial, we will be looking at input devices as part of computer hardware, the categories of input devices we have, and also examples in each category. What is an input device? Every time you enter data to a computer, you are using an input device. An input device is a device or a part of a computer we can use to enter data or commands to a computer. Input devices are classified into different categories depending on how they receive data and type of data they enter to a computer. Now let's look at each category and examples of input device under each category. Keying devices. They enter data when their keys are pressed. They are used to type alphabetical letters, numbers, and symbols. Keying devices includes keyboard and keypad. Voice input devices. They are used to receiving or enter voice or audio data. Examples: microphone.
Visual and imaging devices. They are best for capturing videos and taking photos. Examples of visual and imaging devices are digital cameras, image scanners, web cameras, video recorders, etc.
Gaming controllers. Input devices that are used to control and play computer games. They include gamepad, trackball, joysticks, steering wheel, among others. Pointing devices. Devices used to point and select items on the screen. They are mostly used to control the cursor or the mouse pointer. These devices include mouse, touchpad, joystick, trackball, and others. Scanning devices. They take in scanned images and convert them into information. Once the image is scanned, they can convert it into a form that is readable, or they can be able to extract information from those images. Examples are barcode readers, three-dimensional scanners. We also have another category. These are called digitizers, and they allow capturing of drawing, photos and audio to computers, e.g. microphone, scanners, and digital camera.